TV keeps buffering while streaming, um, yeah, that spinning circle can get annoying real quick. The good news is, buffering problems are usually caused by a few common things you can fix yourself. In this video, I'll walk you through the best step-by-step solutions to stop buffering and stream smoothly. Let's jump in. First, check your internet speed. Slow internet is the number one reason for buffering. For smooth streaming, make sure your connection is stable and strong. If the speed looks low, try moving your router closer to the TV. Next, restart both your router and your smart TV. I mean, this simple step fixes a lot of temporary network glitches. Turn off your router and TV, wait about 1 minute, then turn them back on and reconnect. All right? Another common cause is too many devices using the same Wi-Fi. Yeah, this can slow your streaming speed. Try pausing downloads or disconnecting unused devices to free up bandwidth. Okay, quick fix. Lower the video quality inside your streaming app. Higher resolution needs more internet speed. Switch from Ultra HD to HD or Auto and see if buffering improves. If buffering still happens, clear the app cache. Corrupted cache files can slow streaming. Go to Settings, then Apps, select your streaming app, and choose Clear Cache. Now check for updates. Outdated apps or TV software can definitely cause buffering issues. Install any available app updates, then update your smart TV software as well. And finally, for the most stable connection, try using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Yeah, wired connections are usually much faster and more reliable. If your TV is close to the router, this can completely eliminate buffering. And that's it. These fixes should stop buffering on your smart TV and give you smooth streaming again. If this helped, feel free to like the video. And yeah, subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.